Yung ubi lover ka at favorite mo din ang maha blanca? Tara, gawa tayo ng ubi flavored maha blanca. Snack or dessert idea na patok ding pangbenta. Before we start, ay prepare muna natin yung ating pan or container na gagamitin. Naglagay lang ako ng banana leaf, then brush with margarine or butter, then set aside. Now in a bowl, mix together 2½ cups of cornstarch and 2 cups of water and set aside. Sa kawali naman, combine lang natin ang 2 cans 400 ml ng coconut milk or 3½ cups kung fresh coconut milk ang gagamitin, 1 can and 390 grams condensed milk, 2 tablespoon ng ubi powder, ½ cup ng ubi halaya, then mix well. At this point ay nakapatay pa ang aking kalan. Tikman ito kung sakto na ba sa panlasa mo ang tamis. Add sugar as needed. Now cook over medium heat first. Once it starts to boil, simmer for another 5 minutes. While continuous na hinahalo, then add 1 can ng corn kernels or you can use cream corn. Now set your stove to low heat, then gradually add our cornstarch mixture. Make sure na nahalo mo na itong mabuti. Continue lang sa paghahalo until smooth na ito, about 15 to 18 minutes para sure na luto talaga yung cornstarch natin. Pwede na ito quickly transfer sa ating molder, then add grated cheese on top, let it cool down at hayaan mo na mag-set. And as easy and simple as that, this is ready to enjoy. Follow for more. Bye-bye!